Welcome guys, in today's video I will give you a trading strategy that even newbie can use, because it's so simple and profitable strategy. You can use this strategy in any type of market, whether in crypto, stocks, or forex market. This strategy already proven to have a high win rate in the back test, so make sure you pay a close attention and watch carefully what I'm about to show you, because you can easily boost your account if done it correctly. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to my channel, so that you will not miss any of my videos. So let's begin to the strategy. For this strategy we will be using 3 different indicators. Now we must insert our first indicator, which is NAD area Watson envelope. Simply type NAD area and click on this one right here by Lux Algo. Then our next indicator is ATR stop loss finder by Verifid. Okay, for our last indicator, we need to insert the relative strength index. Simply type RSI and click on this one right here. Alright, before we move into our strategy, we just need to do some adjustment in our indicator. First, go to NAD area Watson envelope setting, and at the style section, we want to untick the label and tab Ls, and we also want to change both of the color to yellow on input section to avoid confusion later on. After that, go to ATR setting, and we want to change the multiplier from 1.5 to 0.5. Now we change the settings of RSI. First tap on settings and then change the length 14 to 5, and now we want to remove RSI based DMA. Then we also want to remove the middle band since we don't use them. Alright, our chart is now complete. So the main idea of this strategy is we want to trade when the price is oversold or overbought, as well as we want to capture the best point to enter the market. We will use the NAD area Watson indicator as a signal to enter our position. We will also use the RSI indicator and candlestick as our confirmation to see whether the signal is valid or not. So for the buy signal to be valid, we need to see that the price is closing below the lower envelope, such as this one right here. Then we also want to see that RSI is moving below the low one right here as our confirmation band, such as this. When we have the confirmation on RSI, we want to wait for the first green candle, such as this one right here. When we have the first green candle, we will enter our position at the closing of the candle. We will put our stop loss at the ATR stop loss, and we will target 1.5 times from our risk. Here's another example of buy setup. As we can see here, the price is closing below the lower envelope. At the same time, RSI also gives us a confirmation, because as we can see, the RSI is below the lower band. So all of the conditions are met, and we will enter our position at the closing of the first green candle. We will put our stop loss at the ATR stop loss, and we will target 1.5 times from our risk. And you can see we again closed our position in profit. If you are wondering what platform I open buy and sell positions on, it is on Bybit. On this cryptocurrency exchange, you can easily open buy and sell positions with or without leverage in over 150 cryptos. And you can use 100x leverage. It means you can make your profit 100 times faster, but of course you will lose 100 times faster too. I myself use this exchange for my daily trading, and I do so because it is a reliable platform, and I can use a 4 price layout. If you also want to trade on this exchange, you can visit Bybit via the link below this video. Bybit also has a $4,000 sign-up bonus and many more gifts, so that's definitely interesting as well. As for short positions, we need to do the opposite. So for the sell signal to be valid, we need to see that the price is closing above the upper envelope, such as this one right, moving above the upper band. Then we also want to see that RSI is moving above the upper band, such as this one right here as our confirmation. When we have the confirmation on RSI, we want to wait for the first red candle, such as this one right, take place here. When we have the first red candle, we will enter our short position at the closing of the candle. We will put our stop loss at the ATR stop loss, and we will target 1.5 times from our risk. Here is another example of short setup. As we can see here, the price is closing above the upper envelope. At the same time, RSI gives us a confirmation, because as we can see, RSI is above the upper band. So all of the conditions are met, and we will enter our position at the closing of the first red candle. We will put our stop loss at the ATR stop loss, and we will target 1.5 times from our risk. And again, you can see we closed our position in profit. This strategy is extremely profitable if you use it correctly. Alright guys, so let me show you a couple examples that you guys should not take the entry, so you can understand the strategy even better. As you can see here, the price is closing above the upper envelope. Then here we have the first red candle, but we will not take this signal because when the price close above the envelope, the RSI do not give us a confirmation by going above the band. Because of this, not all of our condition is met, so the setup right here is invalid, so we will skip this signal. Here is another example of the setup that invalid. As we can see here, the price is closing above the upper envelope. At the same time, RSI also give us a confirmation, because as we can see, the RSI is above the upper band. But we will not take the signal because when we have the first red candle, the candle is too big, and we will avoid to enter on big ass candle as well. As you guys can see, I have explained this strategy A to Z. If you will follow this strategy as explained in video, you can make your double within a month, so give it a back test before trading with real money. Don't you feel like analyzing the prices yourself? Then you could also take a look at our website. Our analysts will let you know when to buy or sell any asset. You just have to put stop loss and take profit target.